So this question says that we need to find the true set of values of k for which sine inverse of this complicated thing, not so complicated, is equal to k pi by 6 may have a solution S. Alright, we are given certain brackets intervals on in the option. So that means that k is not having a single value. We need to look, whenever we see such intervals, that means we need to somehow relate it to range. So we need to find the range of the LHS, right? To find the set of value of k, let's find range of LHS, which I already told, right? So now we know that sine square x is there, and sine square x range, we already know that it can be between 0 and 1 where both are included, right? So this thing is already pre-known to us. If not, we must learn it. So if sine square x belongs from 0 to 1, then 1 plus sine square x is simply 1 plus 2, adding 1 to both of the terms. All right. So now, but we need to find the inverse of 1 plus sine square x, right? It is in fraction. So we'll simply take the reciprocal on both sides. Remember, wherever we take reciprocal, so this thing is going to shift to this thing, and this term is going to shift to this term after reciprocating, right? See, 1 by 2 came here, and 1 upon 1 is on the right side, right? So this is the range of 1 by 1 plus sine square x. Simple till now. Alright, for our simplicity, we assume that f of t is sine inverse of t, where t is this thing, right? 1 upon 1 plus sine square t, sine square x. So we are simply substituting it for, so that we don't have to write it again and again, right? So t belongs from 1 by 2 till 1, right? So we know that sine inverse is an increasing function, and for your reference, I'm also telling that if cos inverse is there in some question, it is a decreasing function. Remember, sine inverse is increasing. And what is it is increasing in from -1 to 1, right? All right. So that is the domain on which it is increasing. So the range of ft. So now as we already said, that we need to find the range. So the range, since sine inverse is increasing, the range is automatically found out by substituting the domain, right, which we calculated earlier. So we'll directly substitute 1 by 2 on the starting point and 1 on the ending point, and this is the range of the function ft, which we defined right here. All right. So ft belongs from sine inverse of 1 by 2 till sine inverse of 1. We'll again substitute all the values in here, right? So see why this makes us substitution, so that we don't have to write 1 by 1 plus sine square x a lot of times. We already found out its range earlier here, right? So why will we write again and again? So ft belongs from pi by 6 and pi by 2. Remember, but we know that ft is k pi by 6, right? So basically, what is ft? Ft is this left hand side part which we assumed. All right. So if k pi by 6 belongs from pi by 6 to pi by 2, then what is k? K is, we'll divide both the terms by pi by 6, and finally we'll get that k belongs from 1 to 3, where 1 and 3 both are included. So which option is there? 1 by 1 comma 3, B option is there, right?